In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a course in Squarespace. We'll start inside your site's dashboard. From the main menu, open Commerce, then choose Content and Memberships. This is where Squarespace keeps all products that require sign-in, including courses. Click Create to start something new, and when the options appear, select Course. Squarespace will spin up a course framework for you. You'll be prompted to name your course. Enter a clear, benefit-driven course title your audience will instantly understand. Think in terms of outcome and topic, and don't worry, you can revise this later. When you're happy with the title, click Continue. Next, you'll pick a template. Templates control the initial layout and styling of your course pages, like how lessons and images are arranged. Choose the one that best matches your content style and branding. You can customize design details afterward, so focus on structure more than perfection. Click Continue again to confirm your choice. Now you'll see your new course in the Pages panel. Open the course settings by selecting the gear icon next to the course. Here, you can change the course name if you want to refine your messaging. You can also update the navigation title, which is what visitors see in your site menu. Keep it short and recognizable so it fits nicely on smaller screens. With the basic details set, move into Pricing Plans for the course. Click Pricing Plans, then use the pencil icon to edit the default plan. Squarespace supports two pricing styles. Fixed amount is a one-time payment that grants access according to the plan's rules. Subscription charges on a recurring schedule and is great for ongoing content or communities. Choose the option that fits your model, then set the amount. Make sure the value aligns with the depth of your curriculum and the level of support you provide. If you offer bonuses or a community, price accordingly. Double-check your currency and any tax settings you've already configured in your site. When everything looks good, click Save. Your pricing updates are now in place for this course. You can return to these settings anytime to adjust the title, navigation label, template styling, or pricing as your content evolves. From here, you're ready to add lessons, refine design details, and prepare your launch materials. That's it. Your course framework, branding details, and pricing are all set in Squarespace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next walkthrough.